we are gonna be doing the ultimate pack opening. So, the ultimate pack opening, if you don't know what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be opening packs in every single thing. So there's gonna be FIFA packs, and there's just gonna be loads of packs that I'm gonna be doing today. So yeah, let's do the first one. So first of all, we're gonna be opening a pack of crackers. So what are we gonna get? Oh my god, man, so good. We're gonna get one more, then let's go to the second one. So now we're gonna be opening a FIFA pack. FIFA 15 new season pack. I'm gonna open, guys. Still 1.5. Yes, I would like to purchase this pack. We're gonna get, come on. Come on. Oh, got absolutely no one. You can see there we got some kits and some packs. But that's about it. So that's the FIFA 15 pack done. And we're gonna open the silver pack, I think. Yes, come on. What are we gonna get? Okay, still nobody. So yeah, that's the FIFA 15 pack opening. I'm so sad. That was so disappointing, that FIFA 15, those FIFA 15 packs. Because to get those coins, I sold my one of my informs that I really love. And his name is Agirex. Yeah, Agirex. He played 6 games for me, scored 7. He's a gold inform from Real Sociedad, Spanish, but now he's not there anymore. I quick sold it. No, actually, I sold him on the market for 17K. Then I got the coins to open these packs. So that was why I was really sad. But enough of that. Let's go to the next pack, which is going to be. So the next thing we're gonna open pack is the Match Attacks 14-15 pack. So here is gonna be the pack opening. Come on. So this is the pack, guys, and I'm gonna open it. Okay, so it's so hard to take it out. Okay, wait a minute. So first we've got a Burnley midfielder. There. Who are we gonna get? Okay, let's see. Oh, so we've got Dean Marney. 65 defense, 61 attack. That's not a bad card at all. Okay, I'm excited for this. I got Man City midfielder. Who am I gonna get? Come on. Please, please, please. 1, 2, 3. Oh no. Oh. Yes, we've got the man, the tank, the man himself. Yaya Toure. 85 attack, 83 defense, 80 speed, 83 tackle, 90 power, 84 shooting, 80 skills, and 83 passing. The tank is gonna go in my Match Attacks 14-15 squad right now, right away. Leicester forward, we're gonna get David Nugent, one of the only players I know from Leicester. He's quite good, actually. Against Manchester United in 14-15, he scored a goal, I think. Yeah, he's very good. David Nugent playing for England there. And we've got Manchester United forward, the flop himself, Radamel Falcao. 10 million he's worth. 87 attack, 38 defense. Not worth it for a big flop like Radamel Falcao. Time to find out the truth. It's a record breaker. That means it's like a legend in FIFA. Come on. Okay. Come on. Let's get someone good, guys. Come on. The legend. Record breaker. He broke the record for... Let's see, guys. Yes! Michael Owen. Yes, the legend himself. Yes, the legend. I named my dog Owen after him. Yes, what a legend. 95 attack, 23 defense, 89 speed, 22 tackle, 72 power, 95 shooting, 87 skill, 71 passing. Record breaker for the most goals in Liverpool, 150 goals.
Yes, come on!
So the next and final pack for this pack opening is going to be...
So I found this box in front. I don't know what it is. I just found it in front. It says for me, so I'm just gonna open it. And see Gerard, Ozil, and Aguero. So in here we've got David Beckham, the toy. Yeah, the toy. Yeah, the toy. That's good. Then we've got some. What's this? Soccer cards. Match attacks, yeah, but the fake ones, and some Champions League cards. So yeah, and we've got this random tech deck skateboard. It's fun to play with. Oh, it fell down. And we've got this thing, starter pack, World Champion Football. I don't know what it is. I'm gonna check it out later. So that was just a very random box. It just popped up. Found it somewhere in front of my house, and I opened it, and that's what it was in there. So yeah.
Thank you for watching, guys. That's my ultimate pack opening. Hope you like it. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And till next time, guys. Bye.